I am not cooked. I'm using the canola oil. We have to wait until the oil hot, maybe another 6-7 minutes. Now I got prepared for the chicken wing. This one I did last night, 24 hour marinade. I have the 5 spice, and light soy sauce, gluten-free, oyster sauce, the saucy wine, the cooking wine, and all-purpose flour. The whole bag look like this. All-purpose flour. Okay, and egg. Okay, now we start marinate. Okay. Soy sauce, wine, cooking wine, and oyster sauce. All-purpose flour. Add more soy sauce and more flour. Yeah, let it sit for 24 minutes, 24 hours. And now we have to add some more all-purpose flour, the one marinated overnight, so make it more sticky and crispy. Wait for the oil hot, maybe another few more minutes. Now the oil is hot, you can check like this. The bubble come out a lot, that's hot. That's hot. Now I put the chicken in. We have it deep fried 10 to 15 minutes. Now we take them out. Take them out, let the oil hot, put it right. Okay, oil hot. Now I got to take this one out, so let the oil hot. So I put it back, make the chicken more crispy. Maybe 5 minutes. I gotta wait a little bit, let the bubble less. It doesn't mean more hot, so I put the chicken in. Maybe wait another couple minutes. Okay, now the bubble left, so I can put the chicken in. Start then a little further maybe. Maybe another 5-6 minutes, let's check it out. Okay, now it's done. Take the chicken out. Yes, you can tell it's done with by brown. Looks very nice. Crispy chicken wing. Here's a Chinese crispy chicken wing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.